We're going to show you how to reset the Poly Voyager 60 earbuds. The first method that we're going to show is on the earbuds itself. So on our phone, let's go to Bluetooth. So taking the earbud, press on the button for 5 seconds. You can see that it has detected the Poly 60 series earbuds. Let's connect. And we'll pair. The Poly 60 earbuds is now paired to our phone. Let's unpair. The second method is by using the charge case. Place the earbuds in the charge case and open the cover. To set it in pairing mode, press on the button for about 5 seconds. You can see that the LED will blink red and blue. The earbuds are now in pairing mode. And on our phone, if you were to do a scan, you can see the Poly 60 series earbuds. Let's pair. It is now connected. Now the third method is by using the Polylens app. If you need the app, simply download from Play Store. So you can see that both earbuds are connected. To reset, tap on the 3 dots and go to Settings. Scroll until you see Reset Device. There are 2 options here. If you are to restore defaults, it will restore the earbuds back to default settings. Settings such as the volume. It will not unpair the earbuds. So let's go ahead and restore default settings. There's another option where you can clear the trusted device list. This pair of earbuds can connect up to 8 devices. It can remember 8 devices, and at any one time it can connect up to 2 devices. So if you are to clear the trusted device list, that will clear the pair of earbuds from all your devices, and it would also unpair from the current device. So let's select yes. It has been disconnected. So this is how you do a reset for your Poly Voyager 60 series earbuds. We have just shown you the reset via the earbud itself, the charging case, as well as using the Polylens app. Next, we'll show you how to replace the ear tips. Now the ear tips that come with the earbuds are size M. And in box, you've got spare ear tips, sizes S and L. Let's replace with the small ear tips. To replace, take the earbud, and you can see a notch that connects the ear tip to the earbud. Put your fingernail there in a notch and take out the ear tip. Be careful not to tear the ear tip. Taking the size S ear tip, just simply press onto the earbud and you should hear a click sound. There, the ear tip is replaced. Repeat for the other earbud. Depending on your preference, you can have different ear tip sizes for your left and right earbuds. The ear tips are replaced.